Ease of screw segment production, simplified setup, reduced cost of screw products. These are the main goals we set for ourselves when developing the press design. Did we manage to achieve the set goals? We'll tell you about it in this video. GP series machines are, naturally, not the only technical solution in the field of screw production. Flights are manufactured using cold and hot forming methods, welded from individual segments with subsequent stretching. We talked about the effectiveness of these methods in another video. However, our equipment is unique in its segment for several reasons. First, it doesn't require complex setup. Many similar presses require careful adjustment. The operator has to use measuring tools, adjust and correct something. A setup error costs dearly. You have to spend time on another adjustment and fixing defects. In the case of our machines, you only need to install the required plate into the die. Second, it doesn't need a large number of plates. You might have already thought that you'll need a lot of replaceable mechanisms. We hasten to convince you otherwise. Just 16 sets are enough to produce most in-demand screws. Other machines require 50 to 60 attachments. The thing is, our hardened plates can be installed not only perpendicular to the press movement axis, but also at an angle. The offset is calculated automatically. Third, it eliminates defects. We reduce the influence of human factor by simplifying setup and using automation tools. The press design includes a logic controller and feedback sensor, and proprietary software is used for screw calculation. This means you'll choose the tooling without errors, notice and fix defects in time without unnecessary costs. Fourth, it speeds up production. A small flight from a blank in the form of a cut ring can be made in just 30 seconds. Time costs are reduced due to automation, ease of plate replacement, and clear operator workflow. Fifth, it ensures high screw accuracy. Allowable pitch deviation is no more than 1 millimeter. Perpendicularity deviation of the flange edge is up to 1 degree. Such screws and segments fit precisely with the support and match each other. Consequently, the finished conveyor or auger lasts longer. Sixth, another advantage of EZSO is a living, developing, scientific production base. We don't just sell machines invented once, but constantly improve them, adapt them to customer needs. This means you can order customization of any machine for your needs, as well as manufacturing plates for screw products of any configuration, up to cones. We're ready to delve into your project in detail. Call to get a technical commercial proposal and specialist consultation.